Tonight, we're going to take a look at Robert Frost's poem, The Road Not Taken, and see how he uses rhyme scheme to organize his poem. I'm going to read the poem once. As I'm reading, feel free to follow along. Answer the questions stated on the PowerPoint. What are some patterns that are noticeable? What do you notice about the rhyme scheme? And what's different about each stanza? Be sure to bring your notes to class tomorrow. So once again, this is The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other, as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that passing there, had worn them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Let's look at the poem stanza by stanza. What you'll notice is that each stanza is broken up in different colors. Stanza 1 stands for the rhyme scheme ABAAB. So you'll notice the ending words in the stanza are would, both, stood, could, growth. Think about that for a second. All the purple would, stood, and could rhymes, and both and growth rhymes with one another. That's why you have ABAAB. Stanza 2 is fair, claim, where, there, same. Fair, where, there all rhyme with one another. Claim and same rhyme with each other. What we have to notice is that fair does not rhyme with either would or both, and neither does claim, which is why we have to represent them using different letters such as C and D. So it goes in the alphabetical order, as you'll notice, with stanza 3 being EF, EEF, and stanza 4 being GH, GGH. So what is a rhyme scheme? A rhyme scheme is the ordered pattern of rhymes at the end of the lines of a poem or verse. Why have different schemes in a poem? They give form to your story. So if you look back at the poem, you'll realize that each stanza tells a different story. In your notes, be sure to answer what's different about each stanza. Look at the end words for clues. And when you're done with that, I would like you to write a poem that incorporates at least 3 different rhyme schemes, such as the Frost poem. I want you to use the same scheme, such as A, B, A, B. And remember, each scheme aligns with the stanza.